Hi everyone. So today I'm here. Corey got a bunch of things about shaving from a friend of ours, Love Shaving Club. Yeah, we got a bunch of stuff, so I was gonna test it out. I decided to finally shave my beard again. It's winter is almost over, so it's a good time to clean it up. Yeah, we're gonna test some of these out. We have shaving cream, so just like a lotiony cream kind of thing. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, you can see it there. Well, I'm gonna use it with a shaving brush. There's instructions for both, with and without one. With, dip the shaving brush in warm water, shake excess moisture from brush, apply small drop of shaving cream to the brush. Using the brush, apply the shaving cream to the face in a circular or brushing motion, building a lather and providing even coverage. Enjoy your shave. And we also have a pre-shave oil, which I've never used, which I guess you just use it before you shave. Put a few drops in the palm of your hand and gently massage the oil into the beard bristles. Wait a few seconds. Apply your shaving soap or cream as you normally would. Enjoy your shave. I believe they were about $20 each, which I think seems reasonable. And I feel like the one that I have used previously was probably about $20. They last a fairly long time because like you don't use a lot, you'll just use like a thin layer. If you're interested in looking into these, we'll have just a link below, I guess. So yeah, as a heads up, I'll probably razor or like electric razor my beard off just so that it's shorter, and then yeah, I'll try this out quickly and then do this. So we're gonna go to the bathroom, so follow me to the bathroom. I guess I have to talk in the camera, huh? Okay, so we're going to start by electric razoring, just to get rid of the beard. So yeah, just gonna catch it in the bag here, so. Yep, 1 second. That's a good look, right? How much hair do we have? That much? Is that fun to see? Quickly wash my face and then put on the pre-shave. Then I'll start filling the sink and all that and blah blah blah. Okay, so let's see. We have the pre-shave oil, which we're gonna start with. Just a few drops. Oh, there it is. There we go, just a few drops. Smells nice. Masculine smell, if that makes sense. Could be like a, I don't know, sandalwood. I don't know what sandalwood smells like, but like, it's pretty common. So we have my shaving brush from Parker. Safety razor with a random razor that I don't remember. Let's try this. I usually tend to use, like it says to only use a little bit, but I just kind of, I don't know, swirl around a little bit to get like that much, I guess. Nice scent as well. I can do the other side too. It's a little more moisture, I think. There we go, that's a much better lather. I do know my technique is terrible. I go back and forth a lot. Which makes me prone to like razor burn. We're still just trying to get like the initial beard off. Cool. Yeah, first pass. So far so good. Let's try number 2. That's a big chunk there. Let's get a little more. I usually like to use a lot, so like they said just like a drop or two. I mean, maybe a little too liquidy, you know. I tend to use more, so that's not really a problem. But I feel like I need more. That's just me. Let's go in pretty well. So far so good. No like nicks or anything. I'm on the top of my shaving game apparently. I say that now. The cheeks are like the easiest part. Okay, I think that's it. Running so okay, I think that's good. Let's head on back to the studio. Okay, so we're back. Yeah, shaving wasn't too bad today. I may have used, well, I always tend to use a little more than it recommends here, like a small drop of shaving cream. I just use however much I end up using, because I do multiple passes. So like, yeah. And yeah, the pre-shave oil, I think was kind of interesting. Usually before I shave, I will tend to shower, and so that will like loosen up my beard or like kind of exfoliate it. But I didn't do that today. But I still had a decent shave kind of with it, so it could have been because of this, as the like pre-shave care. I liked the shaving cream. It lathered pretty well. It was easy to manage and control. Scent was nice. Both of the scents were nice. I can't really identify the smell other than just being kind of like that masculine smell. I think it worked out pretty well though. So I had one little nick, although it's gone away now, and that was probably just because of like going over a couple times. No real feeling of razor burn or anything. I don't think I missed any spots. If I shave like regularly, I usually do it once a week. Some people will do it, I've heard of some people doing it every day, but that feels like it damages my skin more than anything. Some people say every 2 days. That's just for me though. I grow beards very fast. Some people don't. Like I have a friend who tried to grow a beard and they had less than a month what I have in like a couple days kind of thing. So some people may need to shave more regularly, less regularly. I personally recommend giving yourself time just because shaving does exfoliate your skin. Like you just kind of take a bit off, and doing it too much will cause like bumps and razor burns and ingrowns possibly. So yep, for me once a week. Probably out of focus. So out of 5, I want to give them like a 4 or like 4.5s. One like subtle thing with this, it was just it's not the easiest to get out. It was kind of hard to get a couple drops out, which was fine, and you get used to it, and I'm sure. See no reason why I wouldn't repurchase it. I have another type that I tend to use, so I've done in another video, which you can find here. They seemed pretty comparable. I like that one, so like this one's also pretty liked by me at the moment. So I'll probably tend to use it a bit more. I'll use it up before I replace either of them, really. It is a local business, made in England apparently, but sold with a local business. And I do like supporting local businesses, and as I mentioned, this was sent to me by a friend, or sent to us by a friend. Great endorsement, right? But yeah, so far, overall, good experience. I guess that's all I really have, so thank you everyone for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for supporting us on Patreon. Yeah, I guess we'll be back again with another video. Okay, bye!